Hello there, it's Tom, founder of Powerin, and today I'm going to make a clear tutorial video on how to use the custom prompt feature. If you want full control over how Powerin writes comment, the custom prompt feature is for you. It lets you write your own AI instruction so you can match your exact tone, style, and brand voice. But it's not for beginner. It's designed for prompt experts who know how to craft advanced prompt. Because writing great comments through AI is a skill that needs to be mastered. So if you are comfortable engineering prompts and want a total control, this feature is for you. Actually, this feature is locked and it requires a one-time payment fee of $99. And once it's unlocked, you can customize your prompt forever. Why you have to pay a fee and it's not directly available for everyone? It's because we found in the previous version that 95% of people using this feature are using it wrong, and it led to have poor result. Sometimes accounts bound because some rules are not respected. So we make sure everyone now will fully understand that the custom prompt feature is not for everyone, because we already have experts who have worked on the personalized tone that you can already fully manage by yourself by choosing different options. But if you know how to handle AI, you maybe want to have more control over this, and this feature is here for that. Okay, so once you pay this fee, you'll be able to create a custom prompt. Now, maybe you already know how to use it, maybe you already know how to craft, comment, and use the AI, but in this video, I'll show you the 5 rules you need to follow to write a prompt that sounds human, adds value, and keeps your account safe. So let's get into it. Okay, so before I show the structure of the prompt, there are 5 non-negotiable rules you need to follow. If you break this, your command will either sound robotic, get flagged as spam, or worse, gets your account banned. So listen carefully. The rule number 1 is to not sound like AI. Like great post, very insightful, thanks for sharing. That's AI slop and users spot it instantly. In your prompt, you need to tell the AI, be specific, not generic. Reference concrete details from the post. Add you need insight, example. Avoid failure phrase like great post or thanks for sharing. The next rule is to not be spammy, okay? LinkedIn spam filter look for pattern. What triggers spam is identical comment across multiple posts, overly promotional language, excessive emoji or hashtag, and generic templated response. In your prompt, you need to tell the AI to write unique comments every time, avoid promotion, and keep it natural and conversational, okay? The third rule is to never include links in your comments. Many people added links in their comment in the previous version, and this is critical. Never ever put a link in the comment, because LinkedIn and X will ban your account for sure. Even if you're sharing a helpful resource, it doesn't matter. In your prompt, you can tell the AI, do not include URL, do not include links, do not reference external website. It will not add URLs, but if you add rules that say, I want to promote my product, insert the link in the comment, it will be reflected in the comment you'll make, but your account will be at risk. Next rule is to force output language, okay? Actually, we already provide the language. Our AI will detect the language you have chosen and will reply in this language. But if you want to be sure to comment in the right language, because you have maybe a Norwegian language, Swedish language, or a language that is not common to reply with, other than English, you must precise it. So always specify output in English or output in French, etc. This will ensure consistency across all comments. And the last rule is control your comment length. LinkedIn comment works best between 30 to 50 words, but if you do not add rules, the comment will not stop and you'll start making like 100, 150 plus words comments that nobody will care about, because nobody want to read article as a comment. So set a target comment length. Comment have to be between 30, 50 words, not should be. It's better to say have to be between 30, 50 words. And if it does not follow this rule, you can add any other like rule to reinforce the rule, like it's critical. Comment have to be between this number of words, etc. All right, so now let me show you a quick example of a prompt you can use, like a structure of a prompt that works great. So the section number 1 is role and context. You are role and your goal is to with an objective. With this example, you are a B2B marketing professional commenting on LinkedIn post about lead generation, SaaS growth and content marketing, but this can be different and this can be different. You have to make about you, and your goal also have at least to be add one valuable insight that show expertise, or it can be any other thing that is related to your industry, what you are doing, etc. But do not promote anything. Section number 2 is tone and style. Here I've put very understandable options such as professional but approachable, style conversational with concrete example, and the formality. So here feel free to use what you want. Then something important is what to do, because it will tell the AI what you want to do specifically. So read the post carefully and identify the main argument. Pick one specific detail or claims from the post. Add a unique insight. Keep your comment focused and concise with the targeted number of words. Write in the first person. You can choose many other things to do, but this is something that works great. Also, tell the AI what not to do, because otherwise it can be doing this. So do not use a generic phrase like this. Do not add any links. Do not promote product. Do not use excessive emoji, write templated or copy-paste response. Do not use markdown, formatting, bold, italic, etc. So you will be sure about the output of your comment. Then output format, language, the length, and the format, plain text only, no special formatting. And the last section is the quality check. It helps the AI understand if the output generated is related to the prompt you made. So I've added, does it add a specific insight? Is this concise and readable? Does it sound like a real person? And no leaks, no promotion, no spam. If all check pass, output the comment and it will craft the comment. If not, it will regenerate the comment. And the output return only the comment text, no explanation, no metadata. So now what you'll have to do is to input a sample post. So go on LinkedIn or X, copy and paste a post related to your industry, paste here, you can run test, and the AI will give you the comment that will be posted on this post following your prompt. And you can see here that the comment here is quite good because it had concrete data, as you can see here. It also ends with a great hook, but it can be improved a little more, but you can put a rule to avoid the dash. But overall, the comment is great. It add value. It follow all the rules you added in your prompt. And if you are satisfied with the output, you can save your tone here. Okay, your tone have been successfully saved. Then you will have to go into the workflow, create a workflow, name your workflow, you choose your account. And this is where you'll have to choose your tone. So select custom prompt, fill all the other information, and you create the workflow. And now the new comment that you made will be crafted using your custom prompt. So if you are a Powerin user and you want this level of control, you can unlock custom prompt. And if you have questions about writing your prompt, feel free to reach our support chat. Thanks for watching and have a great day.